Hello guys, I welcome you all to another video. All right, so today we are going to solve this question. Now we have a polonium particle. All right, a polonium. This is the symbol for polonium. All right. Now we have alpha particles have kinetic energy of 8.776 mega electron volt. Assuming the mass of the alpha particles to be 6.67 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27 kilogram. So we want to calculate their velocity. So what we want to calculate here is the velocity of the alpha particle. All right, velocity of the alpha particle. All right, so what we are going to do in this case is now, so let's have our solution. We have, so for alpha particle, okay, now we are given the kinetic energy of alpha particle. So the kinetic energy of alpha particle is given to be 8.776 mega electron volts. Okay. Now assuming the mass of the alpha particle, so we're also giving the what? The mass of alpha particles. We're giving the mass of alpha particles to be 6.67 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of minus 27 kilograms. So we want to obtain the value of the velocity of alpha particles. We want to find out what is the value of the velocity of the alpha particles. Okay. So to be able to calculate the velocity of the alpha particle, now we know that the formula for kinetic energy formula is 1/2 multiplied by mass. So because we are given the mass of alpha particle, so we have mass of alpha particle then multiply by the velocity of alpha particle square. All right. So now, so in this case, we are given the energy in what's it called? We are given the energy in 8.776 mega electron volt, and we know that 1 mega electron volt is 1.602 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of negative 13, okay, joules per mega electron volt. That is 1 mega electron volt. Okay, so 1 mega electron volts, this is the value for 1 mega electron volt. All right, so which means that the kinetic energy we are given, which is 8.776, okay, this is in mega electron volt. So when we multiply by 1.602, okay, times 10 raised to the power of minus 13, so we have joules per mega electron volt, okay, and that will be equals to 1/2 multiplied by, now the mass of alpha particle, that is 6.67 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 27, then multiply by velocity of alpha particle raised to the power of 2. Okay, now, so mega electron volts we cancel out. Okay, so what we have here is 8 point, so we now have 8.776 multiplied by 1.602, then multiply by 10 raised to the power of minus 13, and that will be equals to 6.67 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27. Then we have v squared. That is the velocity of alpha particles, all raised to the power of 2. Okay, divided by what? Divided by 2. All right, so now let's get the value for what is 8.776 multiplied by 1.602. Okay, we can also multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, okay? That will be 28.118. All right, so we have multiplying this, and this, we have 28.118. Okay, we have 28.118. Then multiply by 10 raised to the power of what? Negative 13. And we have that equals to 6.67 times 10 raised to the power of minus 27. Then V alpha square. So to get the value of V alpha, we know that V alpha, okay, V alpha is going to be what? The square root of 28.118. Okay, 118 times 10 raised to the power of minus 13, okay, divided by this value 6.67 times 10 raised to the power of negative 27. Now don't forget that the unit of velocity is the what? Meters per second. Is the meters per second. So what is 288.18 divided by 6.67? Okay, so that will be 4.21. Okay, we have that as 4.216. So the velocity of alpha particle is 4.216. Okay, then we can now have, we have, this is 10 raised to the power of minus 0.67. Okay, so that will be 4.21. Okay, we have that as 4.216. So the velocity of alpha particle is 4.216. Okay, then we can now have, we have, this is 10 raised to the power of minus 13, then 10 raised to the power of minus 27. So that becomes 10 raised to the power of minus 13 plus 27. Plus 27. All right, plus 27. So in this case, so let's get the square root of 4.216. Now, okay, the square root of 4.216. Okay, we have square root of 4.216. That will be 2.05. Okay, now remember the unit of velocity is what? Meters per second. So we have 2.05. Then multiply by, we know that this is 14 because minus 13 plus 27. Okay, that will be 24. Okay, and we know that the square root of 24, okay, the square root of 10 raised to the power of 24, 10 raised to the power of 14, rather, that will be 10 raised to the power of 14. That will be 10 raised to the power of what? 7. Because here we have minus 13 plus 27. So, and when we subtract 13 from 27, we get 14. So the square root of 10 raised to the power of 14 will be 7. Will be 10 raised to the power of 7. So we have 2.05, okay, times 10 raised to the power of 7, okay, meters per second. And this is the velocity of the alpha particle. This is the velocity of the alpha particle. Don't forget, we use this formula. Okay, this is the formula for kinetic energy. And don't also forget that 1 mega electron volt is the what? 1.602 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 13 joules per mega electron volt. Thank you. Bye-bye.